Okay, guys, good morning. My name is Jose Garzon, and today and welcome to the Super Brown by Jose Garzon. Okay, the business description and summary. The product is total vegan brown, only for fit people. The product is made with natural ingredients, for example, sunflower oil, yeast, eggs, sea salt, and the other products. The goal is for people to eat only dessert. It's excellent for this moment and buy of the different products. Okay, the market analysis. And the principal competitor is Chocolate Atmon. It is the company of the north of the city in Bogota, with only products. Our advantage is that my only brownies vegan. The strangers or disadvantage for the variety products are the tasted and recognition. Only the company of the north. The word disadvantage is that not all the products are suitable for the vegans. Okay, marketing strategy. In this part, home service are offering the packing will be ecological, delivery will be made trucks of the uh, town goat in Bogota. The principal distribution of the marketing is digital media will be used such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, WhatsApp, and the other websites. The consumer will be buy the products because it is handy, high quality, and visual praise. Funding. Okay, in this part is very important of the money. I will need 5 or 7 million pesos for infrastructure, materials, advertising and raw materials, publicity is very important. The merchandising. Okay, financial projection. Okay, to acquire money, the company will increase sales through digital means, be the text, image, and the recommendation for the people. Okay, guys, thanks. Remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram as had Jose Brownies 05. Okay, bye.